again, I'm doing a bit of talking in my real voice. I do prefer to whisper, but, in ASMR videos, but, I got a request to talk in my real voice, so I can definitely do that for a bit. I can't do it in all my videos, though, because it would just take away that bit of ASMR. That, like, whispering is like a chunk of ASMR, so I'm not gonna do talking in my real voice the whole time, but I can definitely do it sometimes. And my voice, I'm sorry, is just really quirky, so that's why I prefer to whisper. Sorry. But yeah, this is my second video in, like I uploaded my last video about maybe, I don't know how long ago, but not too long ago, so yeah, if you can hear any background noises, if you can hear any background noises, I'm sorry. It's probably coming from the kitchen. Somebody in my house is probably like doing dishes or something. I do not know. But yeah, I'm in my room right now. But this background is like really dark, but trust me, it is my room. It's not some weird dark cave. I just have my light off, but I just have like one lamp on. So that's where this light is coming from. Light. So I was thinking of doing a video of face touching. So comment if you want to see that. But I think mic brushing and face touching are like maybe my two favorite triggers. They're just really calming. But yes, I hope this has gotten you guys relaxed and maybe ready to sleep or take a nap, or maybe it's just helped you if you're stressed right now. So yeah, I'm gonna take a little break of recording, just a little break. It's like, I don't know, maybe half an hour, because I really like to record ASMR videos. I think I like to record ASMR videos more than I like to record regular videos on my main channel. But, yeah, I think that will be all. Right now, just for now, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.